Hi, it's Simon here from Andover Norton. We're here in the warehouse. We know you love your back in stock items, so here's a few that have come back in this week. Item number one is this chain guard. It's £81 including VAT, and that's back in stock right now. The much anticipated front drum brake stiffening kit is back in stock and it's £87.54. The part number is on the image. The oil pump assembly is £252 including VAT. While the rear chain Elite 99 links 5/8 and 3/8 530 for the 20 and 21 tooth gearbox sprocket is £53.40. This valve adjuster mushroom head is £12.98. And the mounting kit for steel ROADSTER fuel tank for the 850 Mark III is £17.94. And finally, this Commando S-Type exhaust system is complete and just £899.40. Don't forget, if you've got an item you really want, you can, on the website, make sure it will send you a reminder when it comes back in stock, or just drop us a line and we'll do our best to try and help you out.